So today I wanted to talk to you guys about um, the notion of having patience and going through a process so that you can receive a reward called a prize. It's an interesting concept, and I think it's really applicable for a lot of for a lot of you as new dentists, because you guys are used to having things completed, received, and done in a really fast pace. And if you see me kind of looking up and down, we're doing doing this recording today on two different mediums. So we've got two different cameras that are working. So just trying to make sure that we can get this content out to you guys on a regular basis. But nevertheless, the notion of the speed of how information hold on one second here, let's see. Anyway, the notion of how speed and how things get to you all, information wise, is amazing now. And with that speed comes an expectation that everything in life should be that way. Well, guess what? It is, but it isn't. It's a process. And you have to be willing to go through the process. And while you're doing that, be patient in that process also. Lots of times I'm finding as a coach to new dentists and dealing with even dental students, there's always this hurry up, I got to get it done, I got to get it finished, which is true, but at the same time, you learn a lot through the actual process and the time sometimes that it takes to get things done. So the quote is, the prize happens, or the prize occurs, when you have patience during the process. The prize occurs when you have patience during the process. All right? So again, just keep in mind that whether you're a dental student or you are a resident, or maybe you're applying to dental school, or maybe you're applying for a residency, it's a process. It does take time. The only way that you can speed up that time is you have to do your homework. You have to be knowledgeable as to what's needed and wanted for your applications. You got to make sure that your personal statement is on point. Another way you speed up the process for a dental student or for potential dental students is the DAT, which we already know. We already know that you got to have a great score, and that'll help speed up the process. It'll cut down the time that you have to apply. Some people have to apply multiple years just to get into dental school. Well, that's because maybe their DAT score is not at a particular minimum that schools are looking for. So it's a process. You have to go through the process, and when you go through that process, you're able to learn not only more and be more knowledgeable about the overall thing that you're trying to achieve, but you also learn a lot about you, or you learn a lot about yourself and during that time, which could be very valuable for future endeavors. But you have to also be patient. Everything's not going to be on your same timetable. All right. One of the ways that you can that you can speed that process up possibly is collaborating with the right people, leveraging your networks. That's why it's so important. I talk to new dentists and people all the time about the importance of your network, your power base. Power base meaning those people around you that serve as a base of power for you. All right, you're one person, but you're connected to 10, 15, 20 other people who also have power and have networks to 10 or 15 or 20 other people. So just imagine one person that has 20 contacts, And if you know 20 people like that, 20 times 20, boom, that's your power base. That's your power base. So one of the ways that you can speed up some of the process, or actually not having to wait so long, is you got to be able to network with people, and that may not help you with your patients, but it may actually speed up things. All right. And then once you are patient during the process, boom, you know what happens after that. You actually get the prize. You get the target. You hit your goal. You hit your target. And you're presented with a prize. All right. So, and that prize could be dental school, could be the number one choice of your residency that you're looking for. It could be your number one job that you're looking for. Or it could be an office that you're applying to, and it's a big group practice, and they do a lot of implants, and they're willing to actually pay for your CE for the first 2 years as an associate in an office. Hey, that's a big prize for a lot of people. Otherwise, you would have to pay for it yourself, and you're looking at $10,000-$15,000 for an implant class. So that could be a big prize or a big win for you also. But remember, the prize occurs when you have patience during the process. All those things have to be in alignment. All right? There's the process, there's patience, then there's the prize. Again, there's the process, there's patience during that process, and then there's the prize. It has to be in that order. It can't be patience, prize, and then process. Or it can't be process, prize, and then patience. It has to be process, patience, and then prize. All right? So I just wanted to share that with you. It's been a recurring theme with a lot of my new dentists that I've been working with. Hey, I hope that's been helpful. If you all have some other questions or other topics you want me to talk about, send that information to me at newdentistcoach@gmail.com, newdentistcoach@gmail.com. Also, you can check down below right here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Darwin Speaks. YouTube, Dr. Darwin Speaks. Have a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, a lot of inspirational things that I post to help you. Okay, again, my purpose and my main goal is to help you, help as many new dentists as possible. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter at Smile Dr. Darwin, and also Instagram. Take care. See you next time. Remember, the prize occurs when you have patience during the process. Take care.